What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B, and I'm back at you with another video. Today we got a great video for you today. You see Kong is behind me, and I got something for Kong, y'all. I'm gonna tell you about this product, and I think it's a wonderful product, y'all. I did some research on it, and they sent me one out, and I really appreciate them. I'm not gonna tell you who it is till we come back from the commercial break, but yeah, man, they sent me something out that's gonna work for Kong. How many of you all having issues with this right here? You see all the chips on the bike, on the forks, and a lot of you all probably like me, you don't want to go and replace them. If you replace them, it's gonna cost you. But I got something that's gonna save you a little money, and I'm gonna show you what it is right after this. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are back, y'all. Today, I got a box right here from CruzArmor motorcycles right here and protections. And what they do, they make products so you can protect your fender, your FENRIR, all your forks up under here. They make products like that. So like if your forks are looking really bad, I don't care how bad they look, they make this stuff in clear and they make it in black. I'm thinking they might do chrome now. I'm not sure. You'll check the website, and I would definitely put the website down on the page, and you will get a 20% discount off on this too. Just use Kelly B, all one word, the number 20. All together, y'all. And in the box, this is what they put in the box here. I want you to definitely check out the website, and here is my discount code right here. You can see that down there, Kelly B20 from CruzArmor. Hey, I really appreciate you all, and I will put that website down at the bottom, y'all. And yeah, I think you'll definitely like this. This is what they put in the box. They got me a shirt in there. Thank you. So I have a shirt in there as well. Very nice shirt. Check that out. Very nice. And y'all, and I'm gonna show you the product that I have right here. Here's some of the products here. I think this is, let me tear this open. This is the protection stuff right here. You got a left and a right side, y'all. So they got it already marked. You'll know what side to go on. You got some stickers in here as well. Y'all, it's hot in Texas already. You probably see I'm sweating already. It's 91 right now. You got some stickers in here already. I think they look very nice. And they gave me this is like a little squeegee thing here. And the only thing you're gonna need is some water mixed with soap, and maybe I already used alcohol and wiped everything down to get all the dirt and grime off so this stuff would stick. And this stuff, they say that this lasts a long time. This, like I said, this is the little squeegee. You know, it's like if you tint your windows, you know what I'm saying? Let me open this up and let you check this out. It's a HD fork kit right here. I don't know if you can see that, but check that out. You got it for the right side and you got it for the left side. And these here are for the cowbells right down here. And y'all, I think it's gonna make your forks look brand new. You know you don't want to pay a whole lot of money trying to get your forks redone. First you got to take it to the dealership if you don't know how to do it yourself. They got to pull the forks off, pull the oil out. You got to take the forks to go get them repowder coated. So this is what's gonna save you right here. If you got a brand new bike and you don't want to get your forks messed up, this is a route to go right here. So we're gonna get ready to put this on, and you got to wet this all up with this water and soap here, and you're gonna squeegee it out, man. Just make sure you put the right side on the right side and the left side on the left side, and these go on either one right here. And this right here, since the cowbells are pretty tall, it's gonna go up and down like that on the cowbells right here for these two right here. and it's just gonna cover it up so that you don't get any scratch. And I think they said this lasts some years and years, y'all. You can actually scratch this with a brush, and then you use a heating gun. It removes the scratches. It's self-healing, y'all. Where you gonna get this at? You're not gonna get this nowhere. So let's get this party started. Let's get it put on. I'm gonna bring you closer. Like I say, I'm out here today by myself doing this. And today we're gonna start off on the left side. So we're gonna be taking this one off. And this little piece right here, that's the piece gonna go right over this right there. That's where that's gonna go. So yeah, man. And we're gonna wet this thing up pretty good. It reminds me of putting tint on the cars. You're just gonna pull this off. It's a little sticky, so try not to put your hand all over it. And we're gonna just lay that right here nice and neatly. We're gonna wet this. My daughter got this thing locked. Oh man. Oh, she got this kind. Oh, you're gonna wet this up too as well. So, and we're gonna squeegee all the bubbles out of here. I don't know how much water, but need to go on here. But we got that. We're gonna try to get that on here real nicely. You want to really wet it up so you can move it around. So that goes kind of up under there. Because if you don't wet it up, you're not gonna be able to move it around. So make sure you do that. And I got the one because I got the lower lights on here as well. So make sure you get the right one for your bike. And we're gonna take the little squeegee here and we're gonna just rub down, y'all, because we want to get all the creases out of here. Let me show you. You want to get all the creases out, and then you rub down first, then you're gonna start going sideways. So and we're gonna do that. And they said this lasts for years on here, y'all. So let me move that over a little bit. So this can lay down perfect right there. So you can get the water off back there. Got enough water on here to smooth this down, so when it stick, it's gonna stay in place. And you gotta make sure you get all the water off from under it, so it'll stay in place, y'all. Get all the bubbles out. There we go. Oh my God, that look good already. Got a little bubble right there. We're gonna work them bubbles out of there. Then I know when it's dry, it's gonna be on there, baby. It's gonna be there to stay. All right, y'all, now we're gonna take the cowbell. We're gonna do the cowbell, y'all. We're gonna wet this all up. The fork is all ready. That is so you can move it around. So you can move this boy around on here. And like I say, when it's dry and you get it right where you want it, looks good on there, y'all, already. Look at that. Look at the difference right now. You see this one here? Then look at this one over here. Look at that difference. Oh yeah, we getting it done. We're gonna do the other side, y'all, and we're gonna let you see what it look like when we get this boy finished up, okay? All right, yeah, we're gonna get this all wet up. Get this all wet up. So we're gonna go on with the cowbell first. Looks really good, y'all. And just rub the bubbles out. Oh man, that looks good already, y'all. Easy peasy, baby. Save yourself a headache and a whole lot of money. And you can do this yourself. And it's already stuck on there pretty good too already. And I can imagine after it dries up, what it really gonna look like. Forks all dressed out with the gloss black on here. And they say this lasts for some years. I'm gonna let you check it out. Check out that, man. Looks brand spanking new, y'all. Look at that. That is awesome right there. Looks really good, really simple to put on. Just take your time when you're doing it. Don't rush. Spray it down good with water. Get you some, that's what I had was a little Dawn dishwasher detergent and water. Get that, spray it all over this, y'all, all over the back and front. Clean your forks with alcohol. Make sure you do that so that this will go on perfect for you as well. So you won't have any issues putting this on. And you got to really wet it down. Don't be stingy with the water. Wet that stuff down like you seen, like I did in the video earlier. So you make sure you do that so your stuff will go on real nice and smooth, that you won't have any issues out of it. Big shout out to CruzArmor again, y'all. I really appreciate you all for rocking with me. Thank you. And like I say, use my discount code KellyB20. Put it down on the screen, KellyB20, and I'll put the link down in the description as well and on the screen so that you can go check it out. If your forks are beat up or your forks brand new and you don't want to mess them up. So, hey, you don't have to wait till your forks get beat up. You can do it right now. So, y'all, we're going to end the video right here. I appreciate you, CruzArmor. Until the next time, baby, the next round, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. This bike right here, going to Tulsa, right here, the Wall Street rally. We on the way. Hook over here, y'all. We got wheels on the way. Wheels are on the way. We out. Peace.
It's the feeling running through your veins. Ride your ride, ride your ride, ride your ride. Hit the highways and enjoy your life. Don't let the bike you own create a divide. Just get on your twos and ride your ride. Ride your ride, ride your ride. frame, metric or V12.